Hi, in this video it's about the coconut lime butter. I just have opened my box and opened the coconut lime butter. Look at this. So, but then look at this. Yes, it's a little bit warmer here in Panama. So the butter, it contains a lot of coconut oil. So it has melted, yeah. And now is a little bit on the side. Well, I guess I let it melt back in its box, in its container, and then I will put it in the fridge. I think that could be really nice and refreshing to use it when I need it, and it will be cold. So, and it doesn't, it's very soft, but my goodness, it's so moisturizing. So I used it on those areas, the problem areas, like my elbows and the heels, and also my hands. As we were in Cuenca in Ecuador, that is quite a different altitude. We were on 2.5 kilometer altitude, which is transfers to 8,000 feet, something like that, which is and not as humid air that we have here in Panama. So and I felt that in my hands, the lips were dry, right, and the whole skin was dry. We walked a lot, and I really felt that that I needed some extra love there. And in that moment, I had different helpers with me that helped me with it. But now I'm very excited to have this. I've always wanted to try the coconut lime body butter, but I had not gotten it yet. I don't know. Sometimes that happens. So what is it about? It was formulated to moisturize our skin, and it uses coconut oil and citrus premium essential oils for a naturally derived scent. It actually smells a little bit tropical, hence the lime essential or the citrus essential oils and the coconut. You can really smell that, and I really like it. It's subtle, but it's there. You can recognize it. So it moisturizes dry skin. That is obvious. Yes, I feel that, and it leaves the skin super smooth and really, really soft. I really like that. And it's, of course, these are all only plant-based ingredients, which means it's also vegan friendly, and 100% plant-based ingredients. So it does not contain any parabens or phthalates or petrochemicals, those toxins that are often in store-bought products, skincare products, and harm us over the time. These are those so-called that's so-called bioaccumulation, and you will find other blog posts of me here in this blog, where you can, or in my blog, not here in my blog. We are on video right now. My goodness, I'm getting confused. But so it's really important that you read ingredients, and I have done that many years. So I'm now really happy that I found a company that I can completely trust, that I'm with them over 10 years now, and it's for me just wonderful how this philosophy of taking care that we as human beings get less toxins in our body through those products that we use every day, and that is skincare, that is dental care, household, it's our skincare, right? And supplements, stuff like that. But well, I'm getting on a tangent here. Let's go back to the coconut butter. I will read you now the ingredient list because that's quite impressive. We have mango seed butter, we have sunflower seed oil, kupuaku seed butter. I have to look that up actually. I don't know what that is. Jojoba oil, which is really nutritious. Rosehip fruit oil is in here, coconut oil, then aloe leaf extract, rice bran oil, then there is a little bit of tocopherol is in there, lime peel oil, lime essential oil actually, lemon myrtle essential oil, orange essential oil, citrus, tangerine, citrus, grapefruit, lemon, mandarin, and spearmint, as well as that's it. These are the main ingredients. As you can see, a lot on the citrus oil side, and on the other side really nutritious fatty oils that are very beneficial for our skin and will moisturize it and help it to look more vibrant again. I think that's what we need every day. If it's winter and cold, or summer and dry or wet or whatsoever, we need moisturizing our skin to keep it soft and elastic and vibrant. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, as always, you will find more information in as my husband likes to say, doobly-doo, in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy your day. Stay adventurous. Bye.